Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to teach ourselves how we can navigate the Binance P2P environment. Firstly, what is Binance P2P? Binance P2P is a peer-to-peer marketplace where you can directly trade your crypto with other Binance users. That is a place where you can buy and you can sell your cryptocurrency, maybe your USDD, your BNB, your BTC, your BUSD, that's a stable coin, your USDD is a stable coin too, your BTC, BNB, your local currency, maybe in Naira or USD. Solana is also added, and DAI. Let's go. Binance P2P facilitates crypto transactions in your preferred payment method. Maybe in your local bank, local currency, maybe bank transfer. Maybe, for example, now if you are using a US account, maybe your Wise, maybe Zelle, maybe Venmo, and Netella, maybe Scree also. Local currency and price. So let's go to Binance and check what we define. You can see the P2P. You can check the Binance environment. You can already see the P2P trading. You can see bank transfer, paper, and equivalent and more. You can decide to click it here. You can also go to your wallet, click funding, go to P2P. You can see the environment. My local currency is in USDD. I can decide to change it to Nigeria. I can decide to change it. You can see I can decide to change that currency to NNG. You can see the price will change to NNG. I can decide to change it to euro. You see the price will change. You see the price will change to the price have changed to euro. I can also decide to change it to that's the rand. You can see it also changed immediately. You can buy any form of crypto from your local currency in Binance. You can sell, you can buy. And let us remember ourselves that if you want to sell maybe another currency, that you can see there is no, maybe you can sheep is also here too. Sheep is also here. Ada is also here. ETH is also here. Maybe you want to trade your FTM on Binance P2P, you will need to convert it to the coin available inside Binance P2P. Binance do not list or maybe they choose 5 or 6. They only choose 5 or 6 coins to be listed on Binance P2P. So you just change it maybe to BUSDD or USDD. You can change it to the preferred choice is to change it to a stable coin, because a stable coin is once a stable coin is a stable coin. If you send 100 USDD 100 if you convert FTM to USDD and the total is 100 USDD, when you want to sell, the total will be 100 USDD. They won't be they won't be high or low. It will remain as it is. You can see, let's change it back to USDD. So we are going to use USDD. You can see they list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They list 5, at least 6. They list 6 coin. If I change it to NGN, you can they will add Solana to it. USD. You can see we have Solana and our local currency to it. That's Nigeria. You can buy Naira from Binance P2P. You can buy and you can sell. And let's navigate. You can see this Osobo is a verified merchant. You can see it's different from the best, although they are inside Binance P2P, but Binance has verified this Osobo as a verified merchant. That's number one. And let's go. This Osobo has traded at least 4,264 coin on Binance and had a reputation of 97.20. Wow, that is a great It's a great seller. You can see its quality is 502.87 USDD. That's 352,014.38. Its limit is minimum is 20,000 naira. If you decide to buy from Osobo, it's a good seller and it's trustworthy. You can also choose to trade with the best. It's also a good seller too. It has 980 trade. You have traded over 980 trade, and you have a repetition of 94.30. You can see its quality. Its limit is minimum. You can buy from the best is 200,000, and the maximum is 1 million naira. The Osobo is different. The minimum of Osobo is 20,000 from 20,000 to 352,000. You can decide to click on Osobo and let's just check his profile and see. You see Osobo, you can check Osobo buy and sell. You buy and sell. You can see his ADS. You also buy BUSDD and other currency. You can see it's a verify merchant. That's verify all his. You can see all his details here. The average trading, the minute, the negative. He have received at least positive 11,940 and a negative of 139. Wow, there's no one is perfect. He registered 680 days ago. First trade is 677 days ago. All time trade he have traded at least 49,626 times. His buying is so. Let's go. Let's leave that. I just want to navigate. You can decide to click your amount. Maybe you want to buy 100,000. You can decide to click. So you won't be finding buyers, sellers up and down. You can check it. You can see. Remember how the guy, the best that is under Osobo, you can see it's because it starts from 200,000 to 1 M. That's why you don't see the guy. You can see this one. Its limit is 4,000 naira and the maximum of 136,000 naira. So you can decide. You have 327 trade and have a reputation of 100%. He is a perfect trader. He is a newcomer. He may be newcomer. Let's check his profile too. He's also a good seller. Once he sell a coin for you, it will release. You know why this reputation mean a lot when buying a coin. The more you release your coin, when a seller buy a coin from you, when a buyer buy a coin from you, and you release the money, you send the money, and the buyer release the coin on time into your wallet, the seller and the buyer will surely give the seller a 5-star rating. Let's just check this what quickest guy. Let's check him. Let's check him. He's not a verified merchant, but it's a good merchant. It's not a verified merchant. It's a good merchant. It's not a verified merchant. You can see him also. Let's check him. No negativity. He is a good seller, so I can decide to buy from this guy. Just know when buying from Binance P2P. Binance P2P is very safe. Once you don't see your coin, you don't need. Once you don't see your coin, you don't need to release your money. And once you don't receive your money, maybe you are buying, you will need to send money to the buyer first, so the buyer can release the money. After selling, maybe you click on buy now. You see, this one update its price. Maybe I click 10,000 naira buy. You will surely see his account. His payment method is bank transfer. You surely see his account, and once you see his account, just copy the account name, account number. Go to your bank, select the option, so send the money and click on you have sent. So once you confirm the payment, it will surely release your coin. And again, when selling, when selling, you need to choose a verified merchant, maybe a good merchant. Verified merchant is not mean sometimes, but you have to, what you need to look is the reputation they have. You can see Wolfie, you have 88.30%, 88.30 reputation. I don't care about that. I don't care about the straight 7-1. I just need someone that once I sell my coin to him, he will pay me as quick as possible. I'm going to choose Owo crypto. You see, 99.30, I don't know, or I choose MMM pass. You see, it's also a 98. I can choose the other one. I can choose this. I can choose this, but you need their rate is different when selling. So when selling your coin also, maybe I just click this guy. I want to sell my coin. You see, I want to sell my coin. I just click it. I want to sell my coin. Once I sell my coin, you can see the bank transfer. This is the bank that we sell. You need to set your bank. You see, I can decide to use my Kuda, my OP, my GTB, or my PAMPay, or my UBA. I can decide to use any of these. Once the buyer send me my money and I confirm that the payment has been sent, I will surely release the coin and give the buyer a good reputation. Once the buyer don't misbehave, you don't need to give the buyer negative review. Positive review mean a lot to a Binance P2P merchant. You can also add your payments here. You can also add the payments. You can see you can add your payments. Add your bank. Your bank, your local bank. You can also add it here. Here, you can also see maybe depending the complete. You can also see sell a lot. You can also see it here, and so on and so forth. Thank you for watching my video. If you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because you don't want to miss another episode. Thank you. See you in the next video.